Welcome to day 30, and of course I am very excited that you're able to make it this far. The truth is, if you follow this tutorial from day 1 all the way to day 30, you will see that there's so much that we've discussed, and of course if you carry on all of the activities that we had, I am pretty much sure that you'll be more confident of yourself than before. And that's the spirit of creating or giving yourself to some of these skills. And I know so well that you're really ready to do more things. And that's why I am doing this video, because I want to see you one-on-one and also discuss the next steps. So let's take a look at things that you can do. The truth is, you've learned about the concept of the web. You've learned about Python programming, you've learned about the fundamentals, and I'm pretty much sure that you've done some sort of algorithm, you've written classes, you've written functions. That's really cool. And to even top it all, you also wrote a Django app. In other words, you did an employee directory application. Yes, you need to move on and you need to do more things, and the reason why you really need to stay connected. Okay, so if you're really interested in taking this your career further, I want you to partner with me. I want you to connect with me so that I can uplift you, I can hold your hands so that you can become the next top-notch backend or even full stack developer. So I'm offering the first 10 people who are willing to learn. And I'm talking about committed people, not those who are not ready to do the dirty work. In fact, I have a system in place to check if you're really serious. So I'm only going to be taking those who are really serious. So if you're really serious about taking this career to the next step, to be able to build an application where you can cater for user authentication, user sign up, and so much things, right? I want you to check the link in the description. You're going to see a sign up link. Just do that. And of course, if you can do that, I am going to be giving you an offer that in this life you would never regret. So just check it out. Check the link attached to this video where you're going to be seeing the next step and some of the things you should learn. And like I said, I am going to be admitting just 10 people. It's going to be first come, first served basis. In other words, the earlier you apply for this, the better chance you have. You know, like I said, 10 people, just 10 people, and those 10 people are going to be working together. We're going to be uplifting ourselves together, and it's going to be a fun journey. The goal really is for us to be able to build web application no matter the size, be it e-commerce, be it portfolio site, whatever it is, for us to be able to cover all the functionality. Can you just pause a minute? In fact, you see the way the smoke behind me is moving, like that's how your brain will be when you're done learning this programming. So I'm not really kidding, because I know there's something you can do. But do not forget, I only need those who are serious. So if you're not ready to commit 4 hours or 6 hours a week, please do not apply. But if you can, just give it a try. So thank you for watching, and I also want to appreciate you for staying with me in this 30-day stretch. Of course, I know it's not an easy task, but let's see what we can do again. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell so that you can be notified every time we release a new tip. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one.